Hi, I'm Alex. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to import a sticker collection into Goodnotes. First, download the collection file to your device. You can download it from Google Drive or directly from your Etsy purchase. If you're downloading from Google Drive, tap Download. In this example, I'm saving the file to the Downloads folder. Now open Goodnotes and open any notebook or planner where you'd like to use your stickers. Tap the Elements tool, the star icon in the toolbar, and then tap the plus icon at the bottom. This will open the new collection window. Tap Import From. Find the collection file you just downloaded and select it. Goodnotes will load all the stickers into the new collection. Once everything is ready, tap Create. And that's it! Your sticker collection is now available in the Elements tool. To use a sticker, simply tap it or drag it onto your page. You can then move, resize, and position it wherever you like. Your stickers will stay neatly organized inside the collection, so you can easily access them whenever you need them. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. Enjoy your stickers and have a great day.